Sometimes we build a website on a web hosting service that just isn't everything we expected it to be. When this type of thing happens, we typically end up changing that web hosting service over to a different web hosting service that has the things that we need, whether that's faster speeds, more reliable uptime, or just in general better overall service. These are a few things that we would want to consider before we actually make the jump. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to actually get started with changing your hosting plan over to a different hosting provider. I'll show you everything you need to know from how to actually get started with a hosting provider in the first place, take that hosting plan, and then change over to a new hosting provider in just a matter of minutes. I'll be doing all this in a very concise, easy to follow manner, so that way you make no mistakes in this process. All that I ask of you is that you watch the video all the way through and follow along while we do it. It's going to be the best way that you're not going to make any mistakes in this process, and that you're also going to get access to some exclusive discounts and deals with some of the best hosting providers available. If you guys are interested in that, make sure to check out some of the links down in the description. But without further ado, let's show you guys how to change your hosting plan. Now, one of the first things you want to do is have an initial hosting plan in the first place. And if you don't actually have a hosting plan, I'd recommend getting started with Hostinger. Hostinger is one of the best web hosting platforms available right now. They have a ton of different options that are super useful, and they also have a ton of benefits and features that you're going to want to get access to. Once you guys hit that link down in the description of this video, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. As you can see, you're going to get up to 75% off web hosting, which is a absolutely massive discount. As you can see, you'll also get access to a free domain with this and free website migration, which is super helpful. Now, in order to get access to all these deals, the first thing we'll do is hit the Start Now button. Once we hit the Start Now button, it'll then take us to their pricing page. As you can see, they have a bunch of different prices that we can choose from. They have a premium plan, a business plan, and a cloud startup plan. Now, for their premium plan, it's going to be their cheapest option here. We're still going to be saving about 75%, and as you can see, we're only paying about $2.99 a month for about a 48-month term. Also, I want to mention that on top of these plans, you're also going to be getting 3 extra free months on top of any of the plan that you end up choosing, which is super beneficial. When it comes to these plans, some of the features they include, for instance, the premium plan, that means you can build about 100 websites with this specific plan, and you'll also get about 25,000 visits monthly that you'll have at your disposal, plus 100 gigabytes of NVMe storage, 400 files and directories, free pre-built templates, free automatic website migration, unlimited free SSL, free email, weekly backups, WordPress vulnerability scanners, and WordPress auto updates, plus a host of other benefits as well. As you can see, you're not going to get a few things like free CDN, WordPress AI tools, WordPress staging tools, and dedicated IP address, but when you guys upgrade to something like the cloud startup plan or the business plan, you will get full access to those features. Now, for the sake of this video, and because this is probably the plan that we're going to get the most use out of, we're going to go with the business plan. It's the most popular plan, and we're still saving about 71% on top of the original amount. We'll go ahead and click the Choose Plan button, which will then take us over to the checkout. Once we're inside the checkout, this is a limited time deal, so you need to take advantage of it as quickly as you possibly can. The first of these is that you're going to check your order. First thing you want to do is pick how often you want to pay them. Do you want to pay on a 1-month basis, a 12-month, a 24, or 48-month? I would definitely recommend checking out the 48-month plan. Considering the fact that you'll get 3 extra free months plus $3.99 for the overall plan is a huge deal. Plus that free domain that comes for your first year. Once you scroll down here, we then can create a quick account. We can either do this with Google or enter an email address or a password. Once we've done all of that, we'll then head down to make our payment. We can select any of these payment options, and then we just have to enter our first name, our last name, our phone number, our state, city, street address, and zip code. And then of course, the most important part, to get access to the best discount available, go ahead and enter in the code MyFirstWebsite, all capitals, no spaces, and hit the apply button. Once you make that application, you'll get 3 extra % off of your overall plan, whatever plan you end up choosing. All we have to do now is submit secure payment, and we're ready to go. Now, once we're officially inside of Hostinger, you'll have a bunch of different options to choose from. Now, for the sake of this video and tutorial, what I'm going to be showing you guys is how to actually switch from Bluehost over to Hostinger. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Bluehost account if you have a Bluehost account, but keep in mind that these are very similar and they work for any hosting service. So the things I'm about to show you will still fully apply to whatever it is you're using, so don't worry too much about whether or not you have any of these hosting providers that I'm talking about. As you can see, we already have a website right here that is on a current hosting plan. Now, in order to actually change the hosting plan in the first place, there's a few different things we can do. We can either migrate our website over to Hostinger, or we could just cancel out our plan flat out and then move over to the Hostinger plan that we just signed up for. Now, first thing we want to do is head over to settings. Once we're in the settings option, as you can see, we can go down to here where it says hosting plan. This does auto renew very soon, but the first thing we want to do is actually change this. Now, once you're inside your renewal center, which is basically where you're going to have access to actually changing your plan in the first place, we can simply either click the disable auto renew option, which will then obviously disable any auto renewals, or we can head over here to the add side button, which will then allow us to transfer an existing WordPress website or an existing website in general onto Bluehost. Now, vice versa, we'll head back over to Hostinger, head over to the domains tab, and head over to the domain portfolio. Once we're inside the domain portfolio, portfolio, we can then choose to transfer an existing domain that we already have at our disposal. As you can see, we can click this transfer an existing domain, enter in our domain, and then click the transfer button. And that's pretty much it to transfer the actual domain over to Hostinger. Now, the best way to change your hosting plan is to cancel the current hosting plan on the hosting provider that you already have, and then transfer it over to a new website like Hostinger, like we just showed you. Now, that was a very simplified way of doing it. I want to show you guys the even more clear and easy to understand way of actually migrating a website onto Hostinger. We'll head over to the websites tab, head over to where it says add website, click that button, and then click the migrate website button. Once we click the migrate website button, we'll then just type in our domain name here. Now, again, your domain name could be anything, but for the sake of this video, we'll use a temporary domain. Now, what Hostinger is going to do is it's going to save our details very quickly here, and it'll then ask us the name of the website that we want to migrate. Hostinger will then walk you through a quick setup tutorial for that, and once you've done all that, you'll be able to import that website directly into Hostinger. No problems, no questions, and pretty much friction free. And that's pretty much all you have to do. Once you're back inside of Hostinger, you can mess around with all different types of domain names, your hosting plans, and make changes as you see fit. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment down below what type of website you're planning on transferring, and of course, let me know if you have any questions. Also, if you guys are interested in getting started with Hostinger for as cheap as possible, make sure you use the link down in the description to get started with them. And if you guys want to get started with Bluehost, we'll also have a link down in the description as well. Also, remember that these are all affiliate links, and we do earn a small commission from each sign up, which goes directly towards supporting the channel. So thank you in advance for supporting us. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a future video.